In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook code not received in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, click on apps, and it will take you directly to this page. Right here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you have to do here is click on Facebook. If you didn't find it, just search for it here in the search bar and then click on it, and then click on force stop to force the stop of this app. And then all what you have to do now is go to the power usage details and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. And the last step is restart your phone and reopen Facebook, and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.